This is your private AI agent. OpenClaw runs on your Dappnode, so the agent itself lives on hardware you control, and through Nexus, it can use verifiably confidential AI models. Open the Dappstore, search for OpenClaw, and install it. Launch the setup wizard. We have prepared everything so you can get started without using the terminal or configuring anything manually. Choose Dappnode Nexus as your inference provider. Nexus gives OpenClaw access to private models running inside verifiable confidential computing environments. Not even the model host can read your prompts or responses. Sign in to your Nexus account or create one if you don't have one yet. After signing in, the wizard connects my account automatically. Now choose your model. Models labeled private use verifiably confidential inference. Models labeled anonymous conceal your identity, but the model provider may still process the prompt. We'll explain that distinction in the next section. We'll skip messaging app configuration for now and talk to our agent through the web interface. Save the configuration, exit the setup wizard, and open the web UI. Here you can confirm that your selected private model is active. Start a conversation and OpenClaw will ask a few onboarding questions so it can adapt to you. Now you have your verifiable, completely private AI assistant.